Alright, today we're going to do a winter scenery again of Indiana barn, and it has kind of a sunset behind it, a little bit different landscape with a little bit of the corn in there, just freshly harvested. So wish me luck. Thanks guys. Alright, we're going to start the colors. Phthalo green, primary yellow, raw sienna, burnt umber, raw umber, Mars black, Quinacridone Magenta, pearly red, ultramarine blue, Phthalo blue, and titanium white. Let's get this party started. Alright, gonna start here with the skyline about here. With the barn right in the middle. Gonna have some trees. It's gonna be like an orange sunset. It's gonna be kind of a fog rolling in here. Might change that up. And then we're gonna have some cornfields here, so we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Alright, so we just kind of laid in the neutral icy blue kind of snow. I'm going to add in all the corn later, so I'm just kind of, the first layer, I want to let it dry. I don't want the brown to convert with the blue and get kind of muddy color, so I'm just letting it dry. I'm working the sky, kind of comes with orange, there's a little blues up here, purple, yellow. It's not quite reading right yet, so they're a little bit too bold, I think, on the chroma. I think the photo, they maybe exaggerated in Photoshop or something. The colors just seem a little bit off to me, so I'm going to kind of gotta piece this together again, so wish me luck on the next layer. Alright, so we're back again. I kind of don't like this sky. It's just this weird colors. The sky's more of a golden color, so I'm kind of off in my mixing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that. So we'll rework the sky. This is okay, I'm okay with that. I'll probably lay in the corn and some of all the stuff here. Anything that's over, I have to wait. That'll be a third level, so wish me luck. Alright, we just finished, so let's take a quicker look here. As you can see, it has a kind of this really bright, intensive sunset. Really cool blues for the snow. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I think maybe a little less blue, but I have to probably repaint that to get that right. But I think it kind of works. It's just, I think the photo I was using was very high chroma. They probably photoshopped it higher. I can't imagine the sunset really being like this, but you know, I think it works as a painting. It's just kind of high chroma, which is cool, but I think it's just a little bit too much. But anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.